Well, good morning. It's John Neal here. Yes, it's me. And it is Tuesday, the 21st of July, 2026. Another warm day. Still hasn't rained. Hasn't rained for about 3 weeks. Just going on another bike ride. I think I've got something to say about how fast you travel. Let's do it. There's a bit of traffic down here. I'm off towards Upton direction because I was there the other day and there's one or two long stretches of road which are closed, which is excellent for me to use my drone. And I'll do that in a bit. Speed of which you go. I rode my bike along one of the local roads recently, just on the estate near where I live, and I was delivering a birthday card actually, and I usually drive along there. Of course you go a certain speed, you look at where you're going, but you don't look at the houses. And then I went by on my bike and suddenly I thought, crikey, I hadn't noticed how big the houses were actually. But you just don't notice stuff when you go faster. And of course, not that I'm doing that now, but if you're walking, you even see more because you're moving slower. So, you know, people say, oh, I was on my bike and I did this distance and I went this fast. Well, how about you went slower and saw more? Saw more? We're able to see and observe a bit more of your surroundings. Don't begrudge anybody whizzing along, but that seems to be a popular thing to do, how to go faster and further. Right, these are bikes number 17 and 18. Hiya. Morning. Interesting to note, you only see a certain number of cyclists around town, but a fair number out in the streets, the lanes, in the countryside. That is 17 I've seen today, which is nice. Oh, look at this shit. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh. Makes your heart sink, really. Wow, some traffic on here. This is Fen Lanes, but I'm turning right over here. Here we go. Bloody hell, look at this fella. He's a big wagon. Right, this is the road to Upton. There's the Upton bypass over there. Been along there a few times. It's basically a cart track. I told you this before. Cuts this corner off. And in the winter it's very muddy and horrible, but when it's dry like this it's quite doable. Bit up and downy, but bumpy. It's not tarmacked at all, but it's a farm track that it doesn't go to any farms. It just gives access to the fields, and quite a nice secluded route to go across from there to here, or from there to here to there, A to B, C to D, whatever. Oh, it's a nice morning, not too hot, and I say morning because it is only 9:30. Oh, by the way, I put the microphone down here and I've clipped it to the strap of my helmet. I was a little bit dissatisfied. It's only I'd say a cheap 30 odd quid microphone, but it seems to do the job okay. But if I clip it here, if I turn my head over there, then I'm turning away from the microphone, and correspondingly if I turn that way and it's clipped down here, I'm talking right into it. So there's a lot of variation which you don't always want. So some people clip it on the top here, but that just looks silly. Well, I hope the farmers are doing well, but I'll tell you what happened the other day. This is what I've come down here for. The road is closed, so I can get my drone out, and with a bit of luck there won't be any traffic. I can just see the bottom road down there where I believe it is open. So I've got about maybe a mile of clear road, no traffic, just the job. Right, let's get a little drone out. So I've cycled off with the drone in front of me. This is the Neo 2, by the way, and the GoPro is filming me. So I had to stop and walk back and pick the GoPro up, and the drone's come with me, look, which is quite amusing. But I've got off to come and get the camera, and it's trying to follow me from the front, which is hilarious. There we go. Gone back up a bit, mate. And I can see on my iPhone the framing as well, which is lovely. And remarkably, not only is it doing what it's doing, but it's also recording the audio and then eliminating all the other sounds, which includes the wind and the sound of the drone itself. So this is absolutely brilliant. Really is clever. In fact, it's fairly close to me, so don't mind. But yeah, I can make my way all the way down here without fear of having any cars to contend with. Whoops, nearly hit a butterfly. It's just slightly weird. It's such a brilliant little drone, flying camera right in front of you. Absolutely excellent. And if I want, I can. I won't be too clever. The hedges are just here. You can fly it to the side as well. Right, I've got to turn right here, so I might just swing round anyway. Or shall I do a spotlight? Let's do spotlight. If you're not seeing this effect, to get the drone to come to me, just hold out your hand. You don't have to say, come to daddy, but I'm going to. Come to daddy. And it lands on your hand. It's magic. And while I'm showing you what the drone can do, this is called spotlight. It means it follows you around but stays in the same place. Still brilliant stuff.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around, some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong, inside a simple song, running careless down the line, beyond the brink of time. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand, the way I am is not what it seems.
Well, there we go. I think that'll do us for today. Yeah, I think just going slow rather than speeding around all over the place is a good thing. You can see more, appreciate more. And yeah, it's that time of year. I don't know how the farmers have got on with it being, it's not even late summer, it's only July, but it's been very, very dry and hot. And I don't know if I said in another video, I picked up some barley and rubbed it round. It was really withered away. Usually they're quite plump, the grains, but they weren't this time. So I've got a feeling the farmers might be in trouble. I have to say, the Clarkson's farm on the telly, is it on Amazon, I think it is. Yeah, extremely good. Jeremy Clarkson has owned a farm for a few years now, and he takes you through the ups and downs of being a farmer. Actually, much, much better than the old Countryfield does with its overwhelming benevolence. Jeremy Clarkson tells it as it is, which is it's refreshing and it's very illuminating as well, because it's a hard time for farmers anytime. They are so dependent upon the weather. If the weather's not good, the weather's not right, it's a bit of a nightmare. So hats off to him, and all the best to all the farmers around and about. And I hope their season this time has been okay. I really don't know. I'll listen out. Right, okay, thank you very much for watching. And yeah, you will see me in the next one. Okay? Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar.